Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can activate a key in UPLAY. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in UPLAY, and when you're right here, right next to the chat box that we are not going to use is activate a key. So click on it, and then what you want to do is just add here your activation key. And that's pretty much it, and this is how we do it. So again, you click on activate a key and you just add the activation code here. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, some support, you know how it works. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.